Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, so listen, what I wanted to do was just got this new tool called Airdeck, and I'm trying to run it up against Dectopus, which was another popular tool about maybe a year and a half ago with Appsumo. And this is more of the unboxing of it. I'm recording it. I just got it. I'm going to go through the show me around so you can see as well as I can see. I'm probably going to come back, and this is one of the tools that just dropped today, and I'm going to come back and do a deeper dive on it, but I just wanted to show you around a little bit. I'm also going to show you how I can use this in one of my LMSs. So stay tuned for that video, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you how you can probably deploy this tool. I don't know if this tool is going to be a tool that I'm going to keep, but I'm going to let you vote below and see if it's going to be workable for you and should I keep it. So let's look at it. So it says show me around. So I clicked on that, and it says this is to launch your library where all of your decks are stored. Okay, so got that. All right, your most recently edited deck will be here. Okay, so got that. Got it. All right, so then it says these tabs will filter your view from selected content. So these are your decks, your slides, your audio, your video. And so what I'm going to tell you from what I'm feeling with this tool, it feels very sturdy. It feels very mature. It doesn't feel shaky. The UI looks clean. That's one of the things I like. It loads in dark mode, which I don't know if there's a way you can switch it out of dark mode, but I have my ideal of how I want to use this tool already, but I don't know if I can get there. I asked a couple of questions from the founders. They were able to answer the questions for me, but I wanted to keep this video to about 5 minutes. This is kind of one of my 5-minute sneak peeks to a tool that I may be interested in for this week. So let me go ahead and continue. So I got that. And if you want to look for something specific, type the title in the search bar here. Okay, so got that. Okay, so what else are we at? You can click here to start creating new decks. So I got it. Okay. Okay, so the Airdeck dashboard can be assessed here. So that's at the top. Okay, so got that. All right. You can click here to return to the library at any time. Okay, so I can look at all the different ones that's in there. Okay. And notifications from the platform will appear here. Okay, got that. Any messages the viewer send, you can see can be seen from here. Okay, I like that. Okay, there's some things that I'm liking about this. The deck analytics can be assessed from here. Okay, got it. All the decks links can be managed here. Okay, in one universal spot. Okay, got that. Account settings, integrations, and more can be changed from here. Okay, so got it. If you ever need any help, click here to open the resource center. Happy Airdeck links. Okay, so we're done. All right, so follow the checklist, get started, upload your first deck. All right, so let's do that. So let me go through that. Let's get started on that. All right, so let me go ahead and create my first new deck. I'm going to click new deck here. And we're gonna, what am I gonna do here? Add video slide, add from library, add file, add audio, add survey form. Okay, so give me a second. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna finish this up with this video. So let me just see what I'm gonna upload here. Give me 1 second. All right, so what I've added or what I've uploaded is this. I do this kind of presentation and I kind of tell people, why it's good to diversify your portfolio. So this is just one slide that I picked up here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some audio to it, and we'll take a look and see what happens here. All right, so what I did was I went ahead and did a recording here, and I just pressed record here. I also turned on the laser pointer, which is good that you can use that from here. And let me play it back so you can actually hear what happened. as you can see here, it's very important to diversify your portfolio. Where emerging markets was had a return of 18% in 2012, you notice that emerging markets was down here by 2%. So this is, I got to tell you, it's pretty sturdy here. I'm going to come back and do a deeper dive on this. I'm going to show you how I want to mix this with another LMS and a smaller LMS. It's not the LMS I've been talking about recently, but it's a smaller LMS that no one's talking about. I'm going to add those two. The reason why is because I can deploy a lot faster and a lot thinner. So if I use this and then I use an actual the embed link from this, let's take a look at how I'm going to deploy this. And let me show you. I'm going to click here. Let's see. Let me save it out, and then I'm going to save it out, and then I want an opportunity to kind of show you how I want to use it. I'll just do another screen for that. I'll do another screen for that, and we'll come back to it. So I have to title it here. I have to get a link here, and then you can put a survey in on the back end. Oh, very interesting. Let me let you take a look at what it looks like on the other users end. Let me show that in this video too. I wasn't, but let me just show you. Stand by. All right, so here is how you share this document and then create a custom link. So what you do here is you go to share, and then you go, these are the different ways you can share it. Copy link to clipboard, copy thumbnail, share to Facebook or what have you, or you could create a custom link and embed it, right? So you can create the link. You can put the link name here. Let me put in Digital Growth Hacks demo. All right, you can require a name and email to view. You can do that. You can put an expiration date, require password. Okay, so I like that. You can actually, you can password protect it. And so let me create the link. All right, so link is created. Where is the link? Here it is here. Copy link to clipboard and so on and so forth. So let me do that. Advanced tracking here. These are the default links, basic tracking, and you can do advanced tracking here. So copy link to clipboard. Let's take a look at that in another screen here. All right, and so let me turn on my volume so you can actually hear this. You do have the system volume. So when someone comes to this link, it obviously still says Airdeck at the top, which in order for it to keep up with analytics and all that, I'm assuming they have to run from the cloud. That's the reason why it runs on the Airdeck server, which nonetheless, and it actually still says Airdeck here. And I think the founder or someone, a representative, actually told you that, hey, it's still going to say Airdeck, which I'm okay. If they had this and that was an affiliate link, I would be even better about it. If you're going to show your link and people are going to discover you from my tool, I'd like to get credit for that. So that's something that hopefully they could probably change. I'm definitely going to put in a request for that. And so I think a person could leave you, they can chat with you, I'm assuming from here. Let me see what that does. Oh, to get in touch, please enter please enter a valid email. Okay, so I like that. So a person, if they like it, they can actually get in touch with you from there. Let's see this, the menus here. Oh, that's if you have a certain. So this is just a slide deck is what it is. It is kind of like Dectopus. I think Dectopus was kind of had a lot of constraints to it. And it gave you a lot of different things, a lot of variations. And then this is it. And a person clicks on it and then they just go. As you can see here, it's very important to diversify your portfolio where emerging markets was. Okay, so that's my review. I'm giving this, I'm going to do mine on a scale from 1 to 10. I'm giving this like a nice 8.5. I think once I go into it a little bit more, it's going to probably move up. I want to see if I can embed it and make it do what I want it to really do, the power and the reason why I would buy it. I would not go for a tier 3. I think the most I would do is maybe a tier 2. I'd probably do a tier 2, or at least a 2 code. I wouldn't do a tier 3. And I think they want you to do a tier 3 so you can get custom domain and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm not going to pay for that because I already kind of have some tools similar to this, but I think this one does some things I like better. So yeah, that's my wrap up. I wanted to make this short. I couldn't. I may come back. I'm going to do a deeper dive and I want to show you how I'm using this a little bit later. All right, this has been Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. You guys take care. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. What would you give it at this particular point? All right, take care. Bye.